Hi, today we're going to talk about how to create an effective sales presentation. There are really 7 elements to creating a truly great, effective, and persuasive sales presentation. A lot of salespeople forget about. But the first thing you've got to do, number one, you've got to get in the right mindset. Now, mindset is this: you are not the star of the show. Who's the star of the show? Your customer. You, your products, your company, your services, you aren't the star of the show. A great presentation is not about you. It's about the customer. And the only way you can make it about the customer is to do the second thing, which is you have to have done a great discovery first. You have to have discovered what your customers' needs, problems, what their priorities are. You need to know where your stuff fits in their priority schedule. You need to know what the company's priorities are, what their department's priorities are, and you need to know exactly the nature of the problem they're trying to solve. If you don't do this, you can't make them the star of the show. Look, whatever you do, do not go into your customer's location and do what I call the brochure barf. The brochure barf is where you're going in flying blind, you're just yanking out the brochure, going through all the stuff in it, and just hoping against hope that something in it resonates with your customer. So remember that. A great presentation follows a great discovery. We'll talk about how to do that in another video. So now let's get into actually how to present your solutions. Recap the need. The first aspect of actually presenting your solutions, third part of this, but the first aspect of actually getting to the presentation, recap the need with a customer. Okay, Mr. Customer, here is the problem you're trying to solve, and confirm agreement that that is a need. Is that the issue that you're trying to solve? And if you have multiple ones, you're going to go through this sequence one by one with each one of them. Don't move ahead with presenting unless they have said, yes, this is the problem that I'm trying to solve. Recap, gain agreement. Then present your recommendation. Here is how you should solve this problem. What services you're going to buy, what products you're going to buy, what resources you're going to bring together. And I like to go beyond just presenting what my product is. In other words, if really solving their problem involves buying my product and then doing or buying something else, I present it to them as a whole. Yes, you are trying to get them to buy your stuff, but you are also trying to help them solve their problem. If you give them incomplete information, maybe they won't be able to solve it. And who are they going to blame? You. So give them a complete recommendation on how to solve. And then come in behind it with some benefit statements. Offer them some benefit statements. Show them how they will benefit from buying your stuff and adopting your recommended solution. So recap the need, recommend, then give them some benefit statements, and then come in behind that with a success story. Now, a success story is how you have helped a customer in a similar situation, similar type of customer, similar problem, whatever, solve their problems. Ideally, it's one that you have helped them solve the same problem with the same product, but it doesn't have to be. You're trying to show that you and your company have expertise here. So any kind of an allied success story is good, but again, make sure that the success story isn't about you and how awesome you are. Make sure that the success story is about how the customer solved their problem. Then finally, recap and confirm that they understand the solution. Do you see how that can work for you? Do you see what that means? Or if you want to really have fun, how do you think you benefit from doing this? If they can state the benefits to you, then they are selling it right back to you. Then you know you're pretty much down the road to a sale. So guys, don't just go in and do the brochure barf. Use these 7 steps. First of all, remember, they are the star. Then do a great discovery. Then recap the need. Then present your recommendation. Then offer them benefit statements to show how your solution will solve their problem. Then tell a success story to illustrate how you have done this in the past and give you credibility. Then finally, recap and confirm understanding. I admit, 7 things, that's a lot, but if you do those 7 things, you're going to deliver great, very effective sales presentations every time. Will you win every sale? Nobody does. But what you will do is give yourself the best chance to win every sale. So don't get lazy. Take the time, do it right. I'm Troy Harrison, the Sales Navigator. I hope this video has helped you. And if it has, do me a favor. Like it, share it, give me a comment in the comments. Tell me what you thought of it. Subscribe to my channel. Thanks a bunch. I look forward to talking with you again.